I should lead after all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Much better.
Let's just get through this. 3, 2, 1.
I'm still getting warmed up.
Shake it off. 3, 2, 1. Move yours the same way as mine. Focus. 3, 2, 1.
Mother!
We got this. 3, 2, 1.
Shit!
Shake it off. 3, 2, 1. Breathe when I breathe.
How about a chant to help us time it right? Avalanche!
Ugh, this is exhausting. We'll get it this time. 3, 2, 1.
I'm still getting warmed up.
Focus. 3, 2, 1. Don't rush it. We got this. 3, 2, 1.
I'm still getting warmed up.
Focus. 3, 2, 1.
Shit!
Shake it off. 3, 2, 1. Breathe when I breathe.
Got an idea. 7, 7, happen, hoo-ah! 7, 7, happen, hoo-ah!
Hell no.
How about this then? 7, heaven!
Ugh, we're doing it my way. 3, 2, 1.
Shit!
Focus. 3, 2, 1.
I'm still getting warmed up.
We got this. 3, 2, 1. Don't rush it. Focus. 3, 2, 1. Try to match my timing, okay? Shake it off. 3, 2, 1.
Shit! Hey, I think I should lead after all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Much better.
Let's just get through this. 3, 2, 1. Breathe when I breathe. We got this. 3, 2, 1. Watch carefully. Focus. 3, 2, 1. Move yours the same way as mine. We got this. 3, 2, 1.
How do we screw that up?
Shake it off. 3, 2, 1.
I'm still getting warmed up. How about a chance to help us time it right? Avalanche!
Ugh, this is exhausting. We'll get it this time. 3, 2, 1. Don't rush it. We got this. 3, 2, 1.
Shit!
Focus. 3, 2, 1.
Alpha level security disengaged.
That was great, you guys. Let's keep it up. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Beta level security disengaged.
Wow! Think we've got this?
Hell yeah! Bring it on! Ain't nothing I love more than sticking it to Shinra.
Halfway there. Steady, guys. 3, 2, 1. Breathe when I breathe. We got this. 3, 2, 1. Don't rush it. Shake it off. 3, 2, 1.
Shit! Got an idea! 7-7 happen, hoo-ah! 7-7 happen, hoo-ah!
Hell no.
How about this then? 7th heaven!
Ugh, we're doing it my way. 3, 2, 1.
I'm still getting warmed up.
We got this. 3, 2, 1.
Shit!
Focus. 3, 2, 1.
Gamma level security disengaged.
No way! You guys are naturals. Okay, final round. Don't lose focus. 3, 2, 1. Move yours the same way as mine. We got this. 3, 2, 1. Breathe when I breathe. Shake it off. 3, 2, 1. Don't rush it.
Hey! I think I should lead after all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Much better.
Let's just get through this. 3, 2, 1.
Delta level security disengaged. Disposal room now accessible.
Finally! I was beginning to think it'd never end.
Hey, yo, Cloud, what's the deal? You really a bona fide soldier?
We didn't train for this stuff.
All that marching with no rhythm? How did you soldier on?
Okay, that's enough of that. Let's see what's inside. Score! It's just like Khan said.
They say a job well done is on reward. I say take everything that ain't nailed down. Back down? You got shit to do, I won't stop you. But Time to go!
Huh? Huh? Look!
The eyes of one who has bathed in Mako, which would make you a soldier.
Ex-soldier.
Once a soldier, always a soldier. Though not, alas, for very long. Accelerated cellular degradation being the most common cause of death by far. This is classified, of course, but every soldier knows the truth.
That's right.
Think you forgetting someone?
Would that I could. You strike me as the type to go on without air.
Ain't enough hours in the day to hold you to account for all your crimes.
And what a wasteful indulgence it would be, even if there were.
Okay then. Let's talk about wasteful indulgences. What is Mako? The life stream. The lifeblood of the planet. Our planet. But Shinra keeps on slurping it up like a thirsty dog. What do you think's gonna happen if you don't stop, huh?
We do indeed keep on slurping it up, as you say, but for whose benefit, I wonder. The true nature of Mako is known to one and all, yet the people willfully turn a blind eye to the cost. As you must surely be aware.
Don't you dare try to put this on us! If anyone's going along with your plans, it's cause you brainwashed them!
Such methods are beneath me. As are you, my faithful Suarex. Henceforth allies of wicked Wutai, our sworn enemy. Thank you for stoking our people's patriotic fervor.
Wutai! The hell we are! You still don't understand your role in this! What are they doing? Don't you see? You fools were never in control. Never anything but pawns in our plans to celebrate a glorious war to the people. And your instruments of insurrection will detonate. When we so choose. God damn it! Now let us raise the curtain on our main event! The trial of the eco-extremist group Avalanche! Terrorists conspired with Wutai against Midgard! Your guilt is undeniable. Your punishment, death!
I'm sick of this. I'm sick of all of this!
It's just not but I failed you.
Cloud! Get your head in the game! We're counting on you, man.
Are you alright?
I'm fine. You guys good to go?
As good as I'll ever be. The people of Midgard will now see blood.
Still here! What did it do to you?
And big boy me. Here we go.
Right. Here it comes. You're done.
Phase 2 of the combat trial. You've seen but a fraction of this true capability. That buster ready to fire. So we how fast you can run.
Don't overdo it.
It's on you.
All right, I can learn.
Come on.
Time for a serious ass whooping. Gotta love it.
No more games. Over.
You ain't getting out of this. Damn it, this isn't the end for you. I was looking for... Want some more?
Giving it my all.
Now this is what I'm talking about.
Have fun.
Behold the full potential of the Air Buster. Time to carry out your executions.
Damn, all those drones. Time to do your thing, big man.
Watch and learn. Just make sure you got my back, alright? Won't be nothing left of you when I'm through. Fire in one off! Bring in the heat! Back to the limit! Suck on this!
See you soon.
Not now! Asshole! Want some more?
Now, get in there.
Bring it home!
Hear you loud and clear.
My demons apprehend my apology, but it is time. This footage will prove invaluable and great. We don't have long to get clear.
Take Tifa and get out of here.
I was wrong about you.
This ain't the end of the line for you or me.
Cloud!
Come on!
Hey, buddy. You okay? Yeah. Made it through with just a couple of scraped knees back then. Back then? What do you say? We doing this? Have we? Never mind about that. Right now, you need to focus on yourself. Move something. Anything. Why not? Good. Easy does it. Slow. And steady. Yeah. Hey, who are you? Who are you?
I am your everything.
Hello in there.
Oh, Cloud. There's still so much to be done.
Maybe you're not okay. He lives. Finally awake, are we?
You're...
Aerith. It's Aerith. And you are?
Cloud.
Nice to meet you again.
Again, huh?
What? You don't remember? What about the flowers?
Oh, the flower girl. And this is...
An old church in the Sector 5 slums. You came crashing through the roof without so much as a lookout below. Fell right into my flower bed. Lucky for you. Like, really.
Sorry, I didn't mean to...
Don't worry about it. They're a lot tougher than they look. This place, it has a kind of power. Before I forget, you dropped this when you landed.
Thanks.
I've got one too.
You and everybody and their mother.
Not like mine, no. It's special. Mine's not good for anything at all.
Bet you just don't know how to use it.
Could be. Though, I really don't mind. Just having it is enough. It was a gift from my mother. Pretty crazy, huh? Us meeting again like this. You should stay a while.